Hi, let us understand how to use for each core tag to iterate through any collection. Let me go ahead and create a new JSP. I'm naming the JSP as core_7_ for each.jsp. Let me add the core tag library directive and change the title. Now I'm going to have a checkbox. So whenever I am submitting the checkboxes, the HTML parameter will have collection of values. So I need to go through the collection and iterate. So I need to iterate through the collection and print each and every value. I can use the param values of expression language to get the collection, and using the collection I can iterate through them. Let me go ahead and create a form which will get submitted to the same JSP. So I'm going to have a form which will get submitted to the same JSP, and I'm going to have a checkbox. So checkbox is going to have collection of values. The name of the checkbox is fruits, and I'm going to read the values submitted through this particular checkbox using the expression language. Here I'm going to print an ordered list. Within ordered list, I'm going to use for each tag, and the value for it I'll be getting it using the expression language param values. So the param values, fruits, I'll be getting it. Fruits is nothing but the name of the checkbox, and that will get assigned to the variable fruit. So every item will get assigned to this particular variable, and anything within this particular for loop will get executed. So within that, I am going to print the value of it using the core out tag. So I'm using a checkbox with the name fruits, and that will submit collection of values. Whatever the value that I have selected, that will be a collection. And I am going to go over the collection using the param values, and each and every item will get assigned to the variable fruit, and I am going to access the value of it using the out tag of core tag libraries, and I am going to print it. Let me go ahead and execute this JSP. I do have the checkboxes. Let me select mango, orange, cherry and figs. So I have selected 4 values, and all the 4 values will get iterated using the for each tag libraries, and they will get printed over here. The similar way how we do have the for each tag to iterate over a collection, I do have another tag called fortoken, where it can split a string into tokens based on the delimiter that we are providing, and it can iterate over each and every token or an element and take action against that specific token. Let me create a new JSP to have better understanding. I'm going to name the JSP as core_7_ for token. Let me add the tag directive and change the title. I'm going to have a variable. I'm going to use a set variable so that I can set the scope and the variable. So I'm going to have a variable for token input, and that's going to have a string like this. I have used a different delimiters so that we can see how to use multiple delimiter simultaneously. So I do have a for token where I will be providing the variable, that is, as a part of page scope what I have provided, I'm going to access using the expression language, that is $. Within curly braces, I do have the scope and then the variable name for token input. And I am providing the list of delimiter. In this case, I have provided colon, semicolon and a pipe symbol. So each and every token will be assigned to this specific variable current item, and I can have the status of that particular token, that is in which location or where it is available using the loop status. And I am printing where this particular loop status, that is using the count, and the current item, that is the variable as it is, I am printing using the expression language. Let me go ahead and execute this specific JSP, run as run on server. So I do have each and every element or token that is getting printed along with the position or the status. So in a quick summary, we had seen how to use the for each tag library, that is how to iterate over a collection and print each and every element within a collection. Along with that, we had seen the another tag for token, where I can delimit a string using different delimiters, and how to iterate over each and every token and print the value.